Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Christen Dominique. Today, I am going to be doing my annual back to school giveaway. I get so excited to do this type of video because I'm just so happy that I'm able to give back to you guys in this way. As every year, we have 3 winners and you're going to be getting, I actually got 2 gold MacBook Airs, 13 inches, they're beautiful. And then I have this big guy right here because some of us will be in school, others will be on Zoom calls. So I have this huge desktop monitor so you could see everything in case you already have a laptop. So I have that. I just grabbed one of the backpacks, but there's a black one, a teal one, and a pink one. This is the teal and pink vibe. I have a bunch of makeup in here. Everything that I've made at Dominique Cosmetics is in this bag. Also some of my other favorite brands like Dior and Glow Recipe, magnetic lashes. I have all kinds of stuff in here for you guys. Of course, I have school supplies, the most important part. I have cute binders, like really cute little, just everything that's super cute and helpful is in this bag. I'll show you guys some photos. So there's gonna be 3 winners and I'll show those photos right now. So the first one I'll show you is the black bag. I went for more of an astrology vibe with this one. I have an astrology notebook and really cute things to go along with that theme. I also have the iMac desktop for this one. That is that guy. And then I have the teal, which you guys kind of saw a little sneak peek of, but this is everything that you're getting from the teal bag, and it's teal and pink and just fun and very, very girly. And for the next bag, it is all pink and there's a lot of room in this backpack, enough for your laptop, all the things that you need, your makeup. You can probably go camping in it. It's a lot of room. So you're gonna get a lot of stuff in this giveaway. I always love to give back to my fans in some way, especially when it comes to education in school. So this is a giveaway for everyone. It's super open to anyone, no matter if you're in kindergarten or if you're in high school, middle school, college. I know my audience is more so in college, but if you have a family member that is going to school and they need some help, some school supplies, I got you. So here are the rules if you want to enter the giveaway. First of all, you must be following myself and my brand Dominique Cosmetics. We are doing a collaboration giveaway. Comment your goal for this school year down below. And last but not least is to fill out the link form in the description. I will be contacting the winner through a text message. I'll also have the winner in the description. So make sure to come back to this video. They are going to be in the description. This is the look that you are getting today. Very simple, easy, a lot of creams. I'm actually kind of sneak peeking something that I'm trying to do low-key for Dominique Cosmetics coming out next week. But it's super easy, a lot of easy, fresh makeup vibes going on my face. Something, obviously my hair is very quarantine vibe. And if you want to see how to get this very easy back to school makeup, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Vanilla oat milk latte. Ding. I actually have not been in school in 15 years. It's been so long. But this video that I do annually is all about giving back to you guys. But this is a different type of makeup tutorial because I don't know if some of you guys are going to be schooling from home on Zoom, because my son is. He's going to 6th grade, middle school, new year, totally new chapter in his life, and he's doing it online, which kind of sucks, but he's gonna be doing that. But I know that some of you guys are going back to school with your face mask and everything, so I wanna be conscious of that and also conscious of those of you that are on Zoom and taking those front-facing video calls. So I want to make sure that you look your best and that you feel your best. So I'm going to start off with hydrating my skin, my lips, and just prepping my face for the day. No matter what I do, I always put on a moisturizing primer or something moisturizing. If it's not a primer, then it's a moisturizer. This is actually a really great moisturizer. It makes your skin look kind of dewy and it just gives you the best smooth look. It actually smooths over your skin really nicely. I wish you could feel it. I mean, if you have it, comment below how it makes your skin feel, because for me, it gives me the most smoothing effect. It just feels so good and luxurious and just slides on the skin so smoothly. And I actually put it down on my neck, I put it on my hands, I put it everywhere. It's a really great moisturizer and I absolutely love it. But I also want to fill in my pores. This isn't going to fill in your pores. So for that, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And this one is supposed to get into the pores and smooth them over. It does have like a little film over it that you have to break. So just rub your finger in there. I'm just gonna tap in these areas of my face where I have the largest pores and divots. I have old acne scarring, and I'm actually breaking out so bad. I could be in high school right now because I am breaking out so bad. And I think it's because I just recently changed my IUD to the pill, and my skin is just, I don't know what's happening. I'm just gonna blame it on the pill. It's taking me back to high school when I had acne all over the face, but mine's is all over the chin area, and I know that's like a hormonal spot, so that's probably what's happening. But I'm just gonna press that in. You're supposed to wait 30 seconds before you go in with makeup, so I'm gonna wait a little bit. I already did my brows just because they take me forever, and the brow pencil that I've been using, I don't have, it's at home. I'm actually, here is in my new office, which we are posting on my second channel, my family channel. We give you guys a tour of the entire office, the studio and everything. So I don't have my brow pencil, but it's the Urban Decay brow blade. I love it. One side's like a felt tip and the other side is a pencil, and it fills in really great. And so I give myself these fake hair-like strokes, and it just looks like microbladed brows, and I love it. While that's setting into the skin, I'm gonna take this Patrick Ta lip mask that actually just came in today in my PR, and it's called She's Juicy. I love the names on all of his products. It's so cute. And So Luxe. I'm gonna take that all over the lips. Feels really good and cushiony. I could just keep doing that all day. Very attractive. So after my lips, I'll go into my lashes and I'll just curl them to prep for whatever I'm gonna do on my lashes. And I'm thinking for this look, I don't wanna put eyelashes on yet. I'm thinking I'm just gonna do mascara, like a really good one, just because I want it to be easy. So now that my lashes are curled, I'm gonna go into my face. For the skin, I want my face to look healthy, and I don't want it to feel very heavy, especially if you have a mask on. I'm gonna put this guy on right here, the BB cream, and it has an SPF of 30, which is great. It's a moisturizing, illuminating kind of BB cream. So if it gives me an even skin tone, that's basically all I want out of it. And I'm actually using the new Cover FX brush. It's supposed to be like a custom brush where you put your foundation, your primer, and anything you wanna mix together. Inside, there's like 3 little silicone cylinders, and it helps to kind of blend everything together. It's my first time using it, so I'm not really sure how it works, but we're gonna try it on together right here. Ooh, that is very glowy. Oh, that's amazing. I made myself an oat milk latte, and it's so yummy. Let me know down below, are you a tea person or a coffee person? I'm pretty much a coffee person, but I can go for tea from time to time, but definitely, it's so good. So I've actually been watching YouTube. Can you believe that? I haven't been watching YouTube for a long time actually, and I have been loving watching Robert Welsh here on YouTube. He is such a knowledgeable, amazing, talented makeup artist. He has like great technique suggestions, and like he actually reviews other people's makeup styles and videos, and he kind of reacts to them as a pro MUA, and he gives like helpful feedback. He's not like confrontational or anything about it. He's not snappy or rude. He's just very educational, and I love it. I have actually learned so much. I always like learning new makeup techniques, no matter how long I've been doing makeup, how much I think I know. There's always new ways to do things, and I'm open eyes, open ears for that. So I think that also makes you better at your craft, especially when you haven't done makeup on other people for a while. I love to hear like an artist kind of go through those techniques. I don't know if you guys knew this, but I was actually a makeup artist, freelance makeup artist before YouTube, and I haven't done somebody's makeup in a really long time. So I love to hear how pro MUAs give tips about other features, face shapes. I love it. I like this BB cream because it didn't give me a lot of coverage, which I'm not mad at because I'm gonna use concealer, but it gave me a nice smooth texture, and I love the illuminating effect that it gives you. It just looks like healthy, glowy skin. This is great summer skin right here. This is the new Physicians Formula Natural Defense Total Coverage Concealer. It has a SPF of 30. And what else does it have? RPF and PPF. I don't know what that is, but I'm pretty sure it's good for you. I'm in the shade light medium. I'm just gonna take it. It comes like in a squeezy tube. And take a little bit there, and then just press it into the area. Okay, so this is a little bit deeper than what I thought, and I don't think I have another shade because this one is more close to what my body skin tone is like. Flawlessly into the skin. Like if there's too much product in one place, the sponge will pick it up. I'm gonna go down the center of the face as well with this, just because even though this isn't brightening for me, but it's gonna even out what's happening here. It's like too bright. I just took off half of my brow. Do you see that? I just gave myself away. I'm just kidding. I'm always on here with like no makeup, so you guys know I don't have any brows. It makes your skin look really, really good. Like the texture of my skin looks really smooth. This is a good one. I'm not really doing too much. I want to do something easy that you don't really have to think about. You just apply it really quick with your finger. So I am going to be casually sneak peeking something that I'm actually launching in about a week. So this is the new, ooh, I'm so excited. This is the first time anybody's ever seen this, but this is the Beautiful Mess launch I'm doing next week, exclusive here on my channel. This is a liquid shadow. This is called Shy Girl. I'll do a whole video, don't worry. And it was perfect for the video because this is like a one and done kind of thing. So you just pop a little bit on, like so. I mean, I'm probably putting on a lot, but it's okay. It's such a pretty color too. I'm just gonna take my finger and blend it out. I like this color because it's like a mauvey, light, taupey brown. You have enough playtime with it. If you're somebody that like really needs to use a brush, or it's just like it irks you a little bit, you can blend in the edges like with a brush and they just blend so easy. It's so easy, foolproof, you can't mess it up. No matter where you're at with makeup, you cannot mess the cream shadows up. They're so easy. All right, so now that we have the cream shadow on, I'm gonna do the other eye really quick. I'm obsessed with this eyeshadow. It's so easy to do. It goes on like effortlessly. I think creams to me are just so easy overall. From blush to everything else on the face. Creams just, they're it. They're easy, they're quick. That back in its little box so I can save it for my reveal video that's coming up very soon. Look at this wand. Oh, okay, Pat McGrath. Pat McGrath it is. It looks like the formula of the mascara is more dry, not in a bad way. I feel like when a formula on a mascara is more dry, it's lighter, it's gonna lift your lashes, it's really gonna hold there longer. And whenever your mascara is a little more wet, it kind of drags down the lashes, takes longer to dry, and doesn't hold a curl very easy. So it has to be like a happy, nice, perfect medium where it does everything, and I feel like this is that formula. If you're not gonna put on fake lashes, this is a really good tip. So what you do is you brush your hair in the opposite direction, just like you would do like the hair on your head, and it'll give you the maximum volume. And you can do that anywhere on your brows, with your hair, on your head, anything you want to lift and make look fuller. Brush it in the opposite direction and it will automatically give you more fullness no matter what mascara you're using. So I'm back and I put a little bit of eyeliner on just because I wanted to. So for blush, I'm using the Patrick Ta for Face She's That Girl powder blush. This also comes with a cream, which is what I'm gonna use first. Obviously, I've already dipped my finger in it, but I'm gonna apply this. Whoa, okay, that was intense, but it blends out very nicely. So I'm gonna put that on first, like a Zoom tip when you're on a Zoom call, live class or whatever. Blush really helps to bring out features in your face. So if you are doing those types of meetings, definitely grab a blush rather than a bronzer if you have to choose really quickly, because it's gonna add a lot more freshness to your face. This blush glides on so smooth, so nice, but I wanna set it in place. So I'm gonna take the powder blush on the bottom to seal it in place and add a really nice pop of color. This shade to contour and see what it comes out like. I'm gonna do the tip of the nose and the sides right here. Then go back over with the Beauty Blender very lightly and just make sure the edges are nice and blended. I didn't set my under eyes. I normally, if I'm at home and I'm on Zoom or something, I'm not gonna set my face. But if you're going out, you don't want it to slide anywhere. So I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and just set my face with the Physicians Formula Natural Defense Finishing Powder, SPF 20. And I'm just gonna set that. This smells so good, like very fresh. I wonder what that is. It just smells really nice and fresh, like fresh linen or something. I'm gonna take the powder on my sponge and go over my under eyes. I didn't put lashes on. I feel like I'm naked right now. I'm missing something, but this is supposed to be back to school, not back to the club. Even though if I was going to school, I could probably wear like natural lash. If you're out wearing a face mask, I would suggest you guys just use a lip balm. There's this one from Jouer. It's called Champagne Kiss. It's really, really pretty. Let's get a close visual of this. It's so pretty and it's hydrating. It smells delicious. Is that melon? Something very nourishing to the lips, and go about your day. Back to school, here we are. I'm also gonna go in with this really beautiful Patrick Ta mist. It's an all over face and body mist and makes you look glowy and dewy. So I'm gonna spray that. It's called She's Thirsty. And this is the Dewy Milk Mist. Anything with milk in it just attracts me. As long as it's lactose free, then we're good. I'm gonna spritz it on now. That's luxurious. That's Chanel. I wish you guys can smell this. I want to spray it on my hair just to make the flyaways go away. This is yummy. I love it. It's so beautiful. Congratulations, Patrick. You make everything so gorgeous. Love your line. Love everything about you and your makeup. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Very easy and quick. Very simple to do. Hi, I'm here for my first day of Zoom class kind of vibe. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and here is my posing shots so you can see the full look. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, if you liked it, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. Helps us out on this channel a lot. And I want to wish you all a successful school year. I know this year's a little different, but I hope that I can bring some normalcy to your life, some cuteness, some makeup, some really fun things to keep you going. And I know that you're gonna have an amazing year. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching and being a part of the Dom fam. I will see you in my next video. Bye, darling.